Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome to my channel. So this will be a very short vlog. So now I am at sector 5 Vaishali, Ghaziabad. So we will be exploring the local areas. So let's explore this area. So this is the medical shop in front of you, and you have some independent homes here which you can see in front of you. So the nearest metro station to this area is Vaishali metro station, and here you have some construction work going on. So this one is Brahmaputra lane, and in front you can see some tall skyscrapers. So these are some independent quarters. This one is Nagar Vikas Samiti quarters, and this one is Saraswati lane. You already know that I like government apartment, but sometimes I like to explore some private areas. So this is the electric office of Vaishali Ghaziabad. In front of you, you have a temple area, and again some skyscrapers. Let me zoom again. And here you have a cobbler shop. And these are also some unique type of apartments. Let me try to zoom in. It is just located in vicinity of Vaishali metro. Guys, I can't tell you, so much of dogs are there. So guys, because of some dogs I had to interrupt my vlog in between. So let's continue this vlog again. In this area, this is a local park and also a taxi stand where people gather and pick up their taxi. A very beautiful banyan tree in front of you. And this is the local laundry service. Few minutes ago there was a local track playing, so I had to stop my video. Very colorful area and vibrant space. And again some construction work is going on. So guys, I have returned back to the area where I started the vlog. This is the local market area. And this is the local school. So guys, I have to end my video here. Next video, till then, take care and stay blessed.